Welcome back, you guys. I'm Kolie, and I'm here to do another unboxing and a review for the Astrology Reading Cards. It says Personalize Your Guidance from the Stars by Alison Chester-Lambert and illustrated by Richard Crooks. Okay, so this is the front. Also, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. And if you're new here, welcome. Let's see. Understanding the present and navigating the future. So, if you guys are beginners or just love the astrology cards, I think this is one that I really liked it, so I picked it up. I will put the link in the description box below. This is the inside, which is really pretty. And let's see how many, it says how many cards or pages in the book. No, I don't see that. Yeah, I don't see that. So I'll kind of flip through it a bit so you guys can see. I'll get to that in a sec. And here is the deck. This is the back of the cards. Take this off here. Looks like this little scratch there on the side. Okay. Share on your healing power, empathy, and ability to teach or learn remedies. That's pretty. Has the planet cards on the back. So these are the planets. And by the way, they are thin, but glossy. And this is Jupiter. Your confidence, courage, self-belief, and luck, which is beautiful. Mars. Your physical energy, drive, strength, and lightning spirit. That's pretty, a lot of fire. Mercury, how you think, communicate, write, talk, and travel. The Moon, your unconscious, sensitive, inner emotions and responses. Neptune, your fantasies, yearnings, longings, and potential for illusion. Pluto, your ability to transform, take a big leap forward, and rebirth. That's gorgeous. I like that. It looks like a beautiful gold. Maybe some wings there. Beautiful gold angel, I would say. Saturn, the part of you that accepts challenge to gain wisdom. The Sun, your immortal spirit, purpose, and destiny is involved. Uranus, your potential for sudden change, enlightenment, and awakening. Venus, the part of you that desires beauty, success, indulgence, and valuables. Vesta, the guidance within, your sacred spirit, century, and quiet dignity. It's gorgeous, pretty. Looks like the wheel in the tarot. Aquarius, this energy is freedom, loving, rebellious, idealistic, and technological. Maybe saying that right. Aries, the energy around you is dynamic and spontaneous, crusading, impulsive action, is likely. This energy is emotional, sensitive, caring, and loving. It may concern family, a mother, or a child. Cancer. Capricorn. The energy around you is serious, materialistic, and hardworking. He bestows scrutiny and cautious ambition. Gemini. The energy is communicative or communicative, mischievous, living, witty, and informative, stimulating, and exchange is possible. Leo, the energy is flamboyant, dramatic, proud, and passionate. It focuses on the importance of self-belief. Libra. This energy is diplomatic and gracious. It seeks harmony and balance in relationships. Pisces. This energy is wistful, endlessly loving, compassionate, and forgiving. It confuses and softens resolve. That's beautiful. Sagittarius. This energy imbues power, superior confidence, and enthusiasm with faith, good fortune, and authority. Scorpio. This energy is intense, masterful, thoughtful, and magnetically charming, but also secretive and possessive. It looks like the inside of the deck of the box. It had the picture. Yeah, it looks like that picture. Scorpio. Taurus. The energy around you shows the abundance of nature. It is rich, earthy, and productive, yet relaxed and slow. That's beautiful nature. Virgo. The energy around you is dutiful, hesitant, and humble, with a discriminating, diligent, and painstaking air. The first house, so this is the houses. Okay, and so these has the Zodiac signs on the back of the card. The first house, what people see in the impression you give. The second house, your assets, finances, and the things that you value. The third house, your potential to learn something in your local neighborhood. Fourth house, your home and the roots of your being. Fifth house, where you have fun, romance, and create things you are proud of. The sixth house, the work, health, and duty area of your life. The seventh house, this area of your life is about long-term significant partners, romantic, business, or family. Eighth house, this transformational area of your life is about shared resources and intense emotions. That's beautiful with the two angels and the rings and the butterfly. The ninth house, let's see, broadening your horizon, either spiritually, academically, or on a long journey. The 10th house, your achievements and status in the outside world. The 11th house, where the cosmos grants wishes, luck, friends, and social occasions. In the 12th house, this is the area of your life that is overwhelming. You will yield to a greater cause or power. That's mesmerizing. And that's the house of the cards. Yeah. Okay. And so this is the side of it. I think it's maybe could be about 50 cards. I'm not sure because it's not in the box, but I think it's about 50 cards. And here's the book, so let's see what's in the book. Content, let's see, how to read the cards. It tells you how to read them if you want to use them for your tarot video or for clients. You want to learn more about astrology. This is a good astrology deck to get along with the book. How to do astrology reading card work. Tells you how to do that. And let's see. What else does it have? Zodiac Signs, houses, planets. Okay, so it's like a little simple astrology book. I'll just open it up to one if you guys want to take a peek and read to that. And let's go with one of the zodiacs. And the 4th house. Pause it if you like. And so let's see what's in the back. Notes on the origins of the cards. I give you the descriptions with this card. Okay, it's a Cancer card. Okay, it looks like it gives more in depth of some of the cards, or is it all the cards? Yeah, some of the cards in the back. And then it looks like it has the description of the card as well there. So this is the book, you guys. And as far as shuffling them, you're gonna have a hard time shuffling them this way because they're wide, but you can shuffle from the side. They're easier to do it that way from the side. There's some purple and some blue, some green, so they're color coordinated. And if you like, I'll go ahead and pull a collective. Let's see here. See what we pull for you guys. Leo. I just saw that in the end. I'll show it you guys. Let's see. Leo. Libra, Pisces, Sagittarius. Did I miss? Yeah, must be. There it is. There's Leo. I'm not gonna just read a little bit of it. The energy. If this card appears in your reading, the energy around you is Leo, and the matter involves pride and self-importance. This energy is about the necessity of feeling special and being admired, but it can attract disapproval as others may find it a little overbearing, which could be unfair. So that was a little bit of that. And there we go, you guys. Please comment if you like these cards. Thank you so much for watching, and see you later.